Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. This one it's Christmas, it's winter themed. I'd say it's kind of more wintry themed, and it's called Winter Wonderland. I've used a lot of kits from Taylormade Journals, all the blue Christmassy kits, the snow days, the snow skater. I can't remember the name of them all now because there's so many of them that I've used and I can't remember which one is from what kits now. Anyway, this is I've formed the cover from a file folder, and it's got this from Taylormade Journals on there, one of the printables, and inside what's it got? Coffee dyed paper. And then you can see I've used the blue stitching all the way around. I made some paper beads and then added some other beads and that to that as well. We've got ruffles, pom-pom trim, this just beautiful images here, like the snow days I think it's called. Let me just see if I can get it up on my computer. What is it called? Oh, Skate Among the Stars, Snow Days. And I've used the blue Christmas. That's what it says, blue Christmas kit. Yeah, so this has all been stitched as well. The words are actually from, who are they from now? Pixie Dust, I think. The journal measures 7 by 4, 1.5 inch spine. We have 2 signatures, 56 pages of front and back. It will be listed over on my KoFi shop and it will be free shipping. I've got free shipping offer until the end of November on my Christmas journals. Okay, so what day is it today? It's the 26th. Okay, so let's go inside. Right, there's lots of journal rooms. Sorry, that car. Everybody's coming home from work. It's about 5:30. Yeah, the pom-pom trim. I made some ruffles, and these papers are just gorgeous. They're so wintry. Love them. Oh, this is from Artful Era Gallery. I will have this week a little design team project for them as well. Just haven't actually been making that many journals, to be honest. We were away with family nights, stuff like that. It's just been really busy. That's a little tuck there as well, and we've got the pocket there. This is from Taylormade Journals too. Then here we've just got a selection of bits and bobs. These are from Artful Era Gallery. You can find a link to them below as well with a 40% off. That's just a little bit of paper that it was lined one side and obviously not lined the other side. I just folded it up, inked it up, and it's just a little journal spot. And it says on there, Christmas Bakery. So that goes there. And then there's just a little booklet there, just with one of these images from, could be Snow Days. Can't remember which one. Some lined paper to write on. I did actually plan on, I might just put a little bit of washi over there because obviously it's got the 6th of July and this is like a winter journal, but I know in some places you can have winter on the 6th of July. Anyway, pockets here, another big tag there. Look how lovely these blues are. They're just so pretty. Little birdie on there. Pockets here, little notebook there that you can write on. Oh, it's just 2 pages. Is it just 2 pages? Must be. Gotta be. Yep, it is. And then this tag, I used my this thing, but it obviously still had a bit of vintage photo on there, and I used this distress ink. What's that? Faded Jeans. Do you know, I've had that for about 6 years and it's still quite vibrant, but the mixture of the vintage photo and the Faded Jeans made it that colour, but I thought it was quite nice. It's another shade of, it kind of looks a bit greeny up there, but I liked it. The pom-pom trim, there's journal space here, the bead dangle. I painted that with some red, but it kind of looks pinkish. But there is a bit of pink in some of this as well. See, now it's a bit pinkish there. So yeah, the journal space in the middle, we've got a side tuck here. It says the magic of Christmas. We've got this little chap there. Just journal space. More journal space. This is from Artful Era Gallery. Everyone is linked down below in the description box. How cute is that? That's the Skate Among the Stars. Joy to the World. Then that's a flip there like so. Pocket there with another stenciled tag. That's just coffee dyed. There's another one as well. Little full stamp. That's from Artful Era Gallery. How cute is that? A little snowy house there. And then here, that is from Tsunami Rose. We've got a tuck in there with the tag. That's the ruffle. That is not denim, it's just a blue fabric. Little flip out here with this from Away in a Manger from Artful Era Gallery. Here, that's just kind of holding all that in place. We've just got a little, is that a little notebook? Yeah, it is. Well, it's just, no, it's a little fold out. There we go, little fold out, all inked up. And little calling card there. I think that's from the Old Design Shop. And then this is from Artful Era Gallery. I want to make a journal with that on the cover. Now it's getting towards the end of November, and I'll probably only be doing journals for maybe another week. Christmas journals, sorry, for about another week. Because if anyone wants them for Christmas, then, you know, I'm shipping from the UK. And if you're outside there, you know what it's like at Christmas time. Horrendous with Christmas mail. And that's just a little notebook somewhere to journal. How cute are them images. Another tag, stenciled. Little corner tuck there, a little stamp there, a little tag here, and then another piece there. It's the First Noel. And that just goes in there. Some lined paper. That's from the Old Design Shop, I think. Another tag there. Here we've just got another tag. Look how cute. That's Skate Among the Stars. Home for the Holidays. Hark the Herald Angels Sing. Journal space. The blue bead dangled there with the, again, I just, that was paper bead and I painted it blue. And then just added the other beads. And we have this little girl there. And that tag there. That flips out. I showed this on Instagram, I think it was yesterday. And what I'd done was, I'd actually done a video. I thought I'd done a video on all of this, making it just a little simple pocket and adding it into the journal. And anyway, I didn't. I thought I did, but I didn't. So I just showed a quick little video of it. I was gutted. I was like, where did that video go on? I think I'd started it, stopped it to find something, or I was interrupted, and then forgot to press record again, and I just carried on. Silly me, never mind. Here's what it is. Christmas Party. That's from Artful Era Gallery. Oh, and this. So this little guy there is on like so you can journal on that. And just fold it all back in. And then here we've got another tuck with, oh, I got, I bought wax stamps, is that what you call them? Wax melt stamps. And I didn't have the little burner thing to do it. So I got the little burner thing and then I couldn't find the stamps. I was like, and then I found one of the stamps, and I was like, I've got to have a go. So that's just like the little, is it the family tree of life or whatever on there. I was just playing around, so I popped that in there as well. Yeah, I can't find, I've only found one of them. I've been buying them like here and there, and I've been putting them in places, and now I don't know where I put them. Little calling card here, and then here, what's this? Another little fold out for you to journal on. So that is the journal. Here's a chunky little one, and there is still plenty of spaces to journal and add your own memories in there for Christmas winter time. So like I said, all the links will be below. This will have a free shipping over on my KoFi shop. That offer ends at the end, and there's only 30 days this month, isn't that? Yeah, so there's like 4 days left of free shipping. Anything Christmas I get on there be free shipping. But anyway, if you have any questions, just ask. I'd love it if you gave me a thumbs up. I'd love it if you left a comment. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.